Hi guys, my name is Camille from Infinity Sublimation. So today I just want to show you guys on how we print on our magic mirror. So it's the same thing as the round one and the rectangle, but because rectangle is our new product, so I'm going to do the rectangle magic mirror. So this is the one. Okay, here's the back. Okay, I'll show you on and then this is the aluminum where we will print our picture. So first, make sure you guys remove the film because it has like a super tiny film, and be careful because the aluminum is soft, so you don't wanna, you know, get cut on like the corners. Okay, so guys, make sure you secure it with a tape. I actually this is not the size. I made it like kind of big. So here you go. Make sure you place the tape on each corner, and we will press it for 360 Fahrenheit and 45 seconds. Okay, so I already placed it in our heat press. We are using Infinity Sublimation paper, and we guys don't need any butcher paper. The only time I use the paper is because my picture is bigger than my substrate, so I want to protect my pad. But when it comes on top of the sublimation paper, you don't need a butcher paper. Okay guys, so we just finished pressing, as you can see. Oh, that's very nice. Okay guys, so here's the result of the aluminum plate. As you can see, the transfers of color from our Infinity Sublimation paper is really good. And also we are using our own Infinity Sublimation ink for Epson printer. Okay guys, so just like open the back. See, here you go. And I'll show you. Okay, so just remove the lock and then you can open it. And here you go. So just remove this paper. So this is how it looks like inside. Okay, so here you go. Okay, so again, it comes with like two stands. It's either this stand or this stand. Okay, and then this is where you're going to like plug it. And if you guys have like an extra box, the one you use for charging. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like. Here you go.